does a new piece of equipment hit the market that has the potential to truly revolutionize current hay harvesting methods. Rarely does a new piece of equipment hit the market that can potentially cut your hay harvesting time in half, while remaining competitively priced with current methods. Machines that are designed and engineered for simplicity and trouble-free performance, using less than half the moving parts of many current machines. Introducing the 5400 series disc mowers and the 5209 disc mower conditioner from New Idea. New Idea has a long tradition in the development of quality hay harvesting equipment. From the horse-drawn trailing mowers to tractor-powered sickle bar mowers, the tradition has continued. New Idea's new technology in disc mowers and disc mower conditioners can give you the cutting edge. This cutting edge in mowing technology utilizes rotating discs. Each disc rotates at approximately 3,000 RPM, which makes the knife tip travel in excess of 170 miles per hour to evenly cut the crop. New Idea further developed this technology into a revolutionary shaft drive cutter bar, simple in design, that eliminates costly repair work and multiple gear drive failures common on competitive models. Innovation, speed, and trouble-free performance that can practically cut your hours mowing hay in half. From designing to casting to machining, New Idea disc mowers are engineered to give you the cutting edge. The cutting edge of the 5400 series disc mowers starts with capacity. Ground speeds up to 10 miles per hour are possible. That's nearly twice the speed of sickle machines. To match the need of your operation, the 5400 series disc mowers are available in 4 cutting widths, ranging in size from 5.5 feet to over 9 feet. The New Idea disc mower utilizes a modular component cutting system that is driven by a single hex shaft instead of multiple gears. The shaft-driven cutter bar consists of disc drive units and cast spacer sections clamped together with tie bolts. Each of the disc drive units are precision machined and contain a single beveled gear set mounted on sealed bearings, requiring only a modest quantity of grease for lubrication. Each oval disc on the cutter bar is fitted with 2 swinging knives. The knives cut the crop at a high rate of speed. Each knife can be easily removed and then reversed, increasing the service life of each knife. This unique American-made cutter bar by New Idea is powerful enough to go through adverse field conditions. Gopher and groundhog mounds, high trash conditions, thistles and other weeds can be easily mowed without stopping. And the New Idea disc mowers excel in lodged, run-down, and tangled crops. Thick, matted, tough or wet hay will not plug these machines, so you keep mowing. The cutting edge continues with easy maintenance. There are no daily fluid checks. The equipment is always ready. Power from the tractor is transmitted through the PTO shaft. The PTO is designed with a standard overrunning clutch that protects the mower and the tractor. Power to the cutter bar is transmitted through the V-belt drive. Both pulleys and connecting V-belts are well protected to ensure long service life. The mower's rugged frame provides the durability and strength needed for high-speed cutting and is easily attached to most tractors with either Category 1 or Category 2 hitches. The standard hydraulic lift cylinder will easily raise and lower the cutter bar, allowing smooth field operations and quick positioning for transport. This cylinder raises the cutter bar from 30 degrees below horizontal to 90 degrees above, permitting the disc mower to be used at very steep angles. The 5409 model disc mower has a large adjustable spring to increase flotation of the 9-foot cutter bar. When mowing in wet or rocky conditions, this spring may be added to the 3 smaller-sized disc mowers. New Idea mowers are engineered with a spring-loaded breakaway, permitting the cutter bar to swing back if an obstruction is hit. The breakaway can be easily reset without leaving the tractor seat by slowly backing up the tractor. New Idea's utilization of a simple design, high-speed disc, and American ingenuity can get that extra uncut crop from the fields and makes mowing hay the quick, hassle-free job that it should be. In addition to the many standard features on the 5400 series disc mowers, there are some excellent options. Topping skids can be attached to the cutter bar. Topping skids are beneficial when working in rocky conditions or when the crop requires a tall stubble. An offset hitch can be installed if the mower cannot be positioned far enough outside the tractor tire to allow a full cut. The offset hitch moves the cutter bar 12 inches to the right, preventing the aggravation and hassle of resetting rear tractor tires. The New Idea 5400 series disc mowers are without a doubt the finest mowers on the market today. From opening the fields to mowing the last land, New Idea can speed up the process with disc mowers that are simple and trouble-free. Mowers that will give you years of dependable service. When compared with reciprocating sickle bars and European-made gear-infested disc mowers, the New Idea disc mowers will give you the cutting edge. From 12-foot Sudan to 12-inch alfalfa, many crops require gentle but firm conditioning. Having perfected the disc mower, New Idea engineers then turned their attention to developing a disc mower conditioner. Utilizing the proven rotary disc cutting system, New Idea produced a mower conditioner that exceeded the capacity of conventional sickle-type mower conditioners, and a conditioning system capable of meeting the high-speed requirements of disc mowing technology. The 5209 disc mower conditioner can give you the cutting edge in crop conditioning, be easy to service, and virtually maintenance-free, and competitively priced with sickle-type mower conditioners. The New Idea 5209 is designed for easy operation, from hooking up to its high-speed cutting performance. This mower conditioner can glide through tall, tangled, and wet crops. The 5209 provides a 9-foot cutting width and features 7 high-speed mowing discs that can cut in the toughest conditions. The high speed of the disc and knives cuts and feeds crop into the conditioning rolls. The disc cutter bar eliminates reel and auger gathering that is common in sickle-type mower conditioners. The rolls are positioned to aid crop movement by pulling the crop into the rolls. The spiral-designed rolls gently condition your crop by uniformly crimping the stems. The upper conditioning roll is offset from the lower roll to ensure good crop movement, and is made of reinforced rubber plies that wear extremely well and are not susceptible to damage from foreign objects. Lubrication of roll drive components, as well as adjustment of roll timing and roll gap, can be easily accomplished, giving you the edge on conditioning your crop. A significant labor-saving feature of the 5209 is the power-out plug removal. Without leaving your seat, you simply raise the header to its highest position. This forces the conditioning rolls open, and the plug is then powered out. You will never again experience that dirty, nasty chore of digging out the plug. The header of the 5209 is uniquely designed with a floating three-point suspension system that allows you to mow your crop at the desired height and avoid cutting the fields unevenly. This permits multi-directional movement of the header, which provides lateral and vertical float to prevent scalping and uncut areas when mowing in uneven terrain. The header tilt turnbuckle controls the header angle and cutting height from 2 to 4 inches. This provides you with quick and accurate adjustment of the cutter bar angle from 0 to 8 degrees. The 5209 incorporates an adjustable baffle, which directs the crop to the rear hood, forming consistently shaped windrows or swaths for fast drying. For operating in tight corners and keeping off the cut swath, the 5209 comes equipped with a hydraulic steering cylinder. This cylinder enables you to make easy on-the-go positioning changes from transport to working position. Hydraulic cylinders raise and lower the header for field operation and provides 22 inches of ground clearance for the cutter bar during transport. The new Idea disc mower conditioner operates easily in the field. Its simple design and tough construction improve the performance in cramped or irregular field conditions. Tight turns and irregular lands are all handled easily without extra driving and without stressing the drives. And if the turns are ragged, it's no problem to clean up the corners. The constant velocity PTO permits up to 80-degree turns while delivering dependable, chatter and vibration-free power to the direct drive gearbox. Another example of the simplicity of the drive design is that a single direct drive gearbox powers all the working components of the 5209, both the upper and lower conditioning rolls, and the cutter bar. No matter where you look on the 5209 disc mower conditioner, you will find innovations that mean increased capacity, lower maintenance, and operating convenience. The 5400 series disc mowers and the 5209 disc mower conditioner from New Idea. Made in America, these rugged disc products perform under the best and worst of crop conditions, are virtually maintenance and worry-free, and operate in much tougher conditions than sickle-type machines, enabling you to finish your mowing chores in a fraction of the time. The 5400 series disc mowers and the 5209 disc mower conditioner, both from New Idea, will keep you on the cutting edge.